The footing type used must be suitable and approved for your specific design, frost depth, loading requirement, and area or local codes. Options for footers include concrete, helical piers, and alternate piers. Traditionally used concrete footings require mixing and pouring of concrete and need several hours for setup prior to construction of deck framing. Helical or alternative type pier footings usually require specific equipment or tools to install, but construction of framing can begin immediately. If alternate footers are desired, contact the manufacturer with any questions, and in some cases, the manufacturer can even supply local installation contractors. There are many styles and designs for footer to framing attachment hardware. Before selecting a style of framing attachment, consider these questions as they relate to your project. Are J-bolts pre-cast in place? Do you need an attachment to existing or pre-cured concrete? Is attachment to helical or other alternative type piers needed? Whatever attachment method is used, the key is to ensure that a solid connection is made between the deck frame and the footing which was used. In order to avoid substandard results for your decking project, follow these framing best practices. All framing members must be in plane across the tops. Use string lines frequently in multiple locations along the framing surface to ensure the joists and framing are in plane across the tops. Power plane or shim of joists may be necessary to ensure joists are in plane across the tops. TimberTech decking products are rated for 16 inches on center joist span. However, especially for TimberTech advanced PVC decking, consider 12-inch on center span for a more rigid feel. Install solid blocking every 4 to 6 feet maximum throughout the deck using exterior grade screws. For best results, use kiln-dried pressure-treated lumber or dried exterior grade lumber to minimize movement and twisting of framing material over time.